Academia La Toda.
You don't stop the rocket to the bang bang when you say up, jump the boogie to the rhythm of the boogie beat. Now what you hear is not a test, I'm rapping to the beat. Give me the groove, and my friends are gonna try to move the beat. You see, I am one of my guy, like to say hello. Up to the rock, to the white, the red, and the brown, the purple, and yellow. But first, I gotta bang bang, boogie to the boogie, say up, jump the boogie to the bang bang boogie, let's rock. It don't stop, you rock the rhythm that'll make your body rock. Well, so far you've heard my voice, but I brought two friends along. And next on the mic is my man Hank. Come on, Hank, sing that song. Check it out, I can see that it ain't had the riches and they'll why. You see, I go by the name of the doctor of the mix. These beats, I'll tell you why. You see, I'm 6'1" and I'm tons of fun, and I guess you're a team. You see, I got more clothes than Muhammad Ali, and I dress so viciously. I got bodyguards, I got two big cars, I definitely take the whack. I got a big Continental, man, a some new Cadillac. So I take a dip in the pool, which is really on the wall. I got a color TV, so I can see the Knicks play basketball. Every time of my checkbook, they cost more money than a sucker could ever spend. But I wouldn't give a sucker ball pump from the knocking out of down till I made it again. Everybody go, oh, yeah, what you gonna do today? I'm gonna get a fly girl, gonna get some strength to drive off in a death OJ. Everybody go, hotel, holiday in. See, if your girl starts acting up, then you take a friend. I'm after G, I'm up, mellow, it's on you, so what you gonna do? Well, it's on and up and up and up and up. The beat don't stop till the break of dawn. I said a M-A-S, a G-E-R, a G with a double E. I said I go by the unforgettable name of the magical Master G. Well, my name is known all over the world for all the foxy ladies and the pretty girls. I'm going down in history as the best rapper that ever could be. Now I'm feeling the highs and you're feeling the lows. The beat starts getting into your toes. You start popping your fingers and stomping your feet and moving your body when you see it. You see it, then damn, they start doing the freak. I said, damn, right out of your seat, then you throw your